So first, you need to charge your customer in euro currency. And second, only do this if you can though, is to add the euro currency in your Stripe account while also adding the bank account in the euro currency too. The first one is to charge your customer with euro. To do that, click on the plus icon over here. And you can charge your client by sending an email of invoice, make a subscription based on your product, or a payment link. The general way is to using a payment link, so select the payment link option. On this window, you may select the type of your payment link and select the first choices if you want to sell a product, services, or a subscription to your customer. Then you can choose your product to sell. If you already have any product with the euro currency, and if there is no product in the euro, then click on add a new product over here and start to name your product, add the description and an image of your product. Then at the pricing, you may select one-off if it's only a one-time pay, or you can also select it to be recurring, where customer have to pay at a certain time, like per week or per month. Then you may insert the prices over here as you like. Well, also determine the billing period for your subscription. And this is the crucial part. You can change the currency of your product, so make sure the currency is in the euro. After making the price as the euro, click on Add Product button. On this page, then, you can edit the product quantity, while also adjust other option just below it. After that, click on the Create Link button. And over here is your payment link of the product in the euro currency that you just added. You may click on this button with the page icon to copy the link, and then to charge it to your customer, you can paste it anywhere, the link, like on the WhatsApp chat of your customer, Facebook and Twitter DM, or Telegram or other social media. Well, also you can do it by sending an email. More or less, this is what your client will see at their checkout page with the euro currency. So you can display prices and accept euro from the global customers, even though your business is located outside the Europe region. And then to add the euro currency in your Stripe account and adding the bank account with the euro currency too, you want to click on the gear icon at the top right of the screen. Then select the business option under the account settings and choose the bank accounts and currency option. On this page, if it doesn't show the euro currency, you want to click on the Add a Settlement Currency. Then select the euro currency. After that, click on Add a Bank Account. And you may add your bank account details that have the euro currency as your payout. So after you receive the euro from the customer that pay through your payment link, you can then transfer the balance in Stripe to your euro bank account. You can also make the euro as your default currency too by clicking on these 3 points over here and choose to make default currency option. If you still have any questions, just comment down below and I'll try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.